The BJP MLA of South Shillong Constituency, Sanbor Shullai, had felicitated wage earners at an event that was held at the Soso Tham Auditorium Shillong on the 6th of December 2022. The 658 labourers that include taxi drivers, sweepers, Anganwadi workers, ASHA workers and others were also presented a cash amount of which is part of the MLA's monthly salary. In his address to the gathering, Sanbor Shullai said that the daily wage earners and labourers have made immense contribution to society through their hard work and effort towards community building. At the same time, Shullai also informed that in the coming years he would contribute in a much better way to see to the well-being of the daily wage earners and labourers.
Thank you, Ms. Roshni Chatri. Up next, I would like to call Smiti Vishnu Maya Rafal.
In South Shillong Constituency, this will be the first of its kind. First of its kind to organize this felicitation to encourage you, to inspire you. Though you are working in a, maybe I may put a word, low profile, a very limited paid service works, but still you continue to serve the people. You continue to serve the society. This is a very good sample that it should carry for others to follow. You award students, pass division, award, state award, national award. Nray P. Wala ka day kaching siyo ka ba rin? Kabatang manaka na yan nagaliang ka kabinet. Joko sorkar mga rukumanisar, ilayaray lang, ngalabanjur, ngakaran. Naduk mansiyam banga soyek so sanay abhi patyaka honorarium ko jobhi kibatri baro it's enhanced now ila declare enhanced I'm with you I know sanction very soon in perkiu no yaka jisiu ibi te kalong ru asin ka balingkong ka ba dan ka jikson na ka mansiyam jungi mono bansa ki janjungi kamtam kitu ki bele trade bele office ki bele khun sipun dei ma phi bawar ban sa ki ding khiling ban sa ki jan ki basari ki surok ki khun ki surok ki nala ki nyut ki nyer ki jongi baro ya ban kit cha marten nanta kaching samsana ya ki khulum kar ko jing tha joga sarkar kinong trade hapo ki dispensary ki CHC PHC ki hospital kilungnya taksi laram don mapi mono poi yaki sa office sa hospital lani sa kayap kadu bapilet bapi alet kham jangai naga dong ko jopi ba yap ki bayeng le si smolai sa nongra sa smith dei mapi ki ba poi yaki te hakim lang sa sang laram ta la di strike prejui se tun ga daga jing pakal dagi masdur ki ong tang menakan dia ba lalu ke jimbergen daga all asab masdur union ban khang no ke petrol na ke jingjia di bosusi hang ne amo hangi katlo ki klumar kinu nya taxi ha yang lain abaro chibe ban ya tep ko punyang itu de tang isu berngam re ke je pen belang ba government ngala so thu ngala ai security klaya te la pi strike subu pi military subu pi nya taxi su Pimilit super kritik things laniban le traigan ta sing brio la ma phi se pim sar sui ko suro pim kir sui ke jot la ma phi pim le chu ban sim kar tang ek ba arme ki khulung ba pin ai ba ai di ki mlaplu mar trim teto ni daga bo borom no so ye je phi kadi ka sin ko bri kong ha history ka bang islang na kane ka Constituency be ibat hajujungi first na dena 19 South Shillong ai ba kiwei kino mi khmat kin sim ya na kunuk sa ko ba